Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Marketer YouTube channel. Hope it was a excellent trading day and made some money. If you not made some money, no problem. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have so many days that are able to make money. But ensure don't make loss, big losses particularly. That's what is going to kill. Okay, let's see what's happened in the market today and what is the coming days. What's the view, and especially we'll see tomorrow Astro view also. We'll see only one day. I'll just planning to release the Astro view for tomorrow. So before that, the disclaimer: please note the views what are mentioned in videos and personal opinion, and any loss incurred by taking trades based on a view, I will not be responsible. Please consult the financial advisor before taking any trades. So first, the FNO data we'll see. So FNO data, you can see that today FI has done something interesting. Added additional 10,000 stock futures contracts they shorted actually, and here in case they added some 5,000 cost long position they've gone here, and here not much of changes actually. But in the cash market they have sold 1,647 crores actually. So overall, if you see for the month of June, net just minus 26 crores. And if you remove this bulk water purchase they made, it is a net outflow only. So overall, it is FIs is not interested to bring in more money. They are taking out all the money now in the month of June. But DAs have started pumping money here. Last continuous 6 days, they made almost 1,200 300 crores of purchases, and that made total 1,000 crores of institutional investors pumping money into the cash market actually. And here, in case of clients, what they've done, so they added some more shorts. They added some more shorts in the put options. It become very aggressive, and here they added short the interest futures also. And here almost just 2,000 contracts short of for this reaching this 10 lakhs of stock futures long positions. And here they added long positions here. So looks very bullish now for clients, and FIs are completely bearish. So let us see whether who is going to win, but some dead cat bounce is due actually because of the oversold situation. And proprietary traders, if you see what they have done is they gone long here index futures, shorted the calls here, hedging position they made, and they bought some put options to hedge their stock futures position possibly. So this is the status of the FIs and DAs participants open interest. But here the long short ratio for after long time just roaming around this place, which normally doesn't happen. Either come fast down or go up fast. But here this time, after making a high of almost 87.6%, now it is just 75% here actually. Just not moving down comfortably on downside. This makes it a little tricky. So that was like history never repeats here in this case. They don't want to give the same way of trends every day. FIs want to change the trend now and then. Coming to the highest open interest, so in this case today, if you see what happened, 35,000 call option, put option, highest open interest, which is around 38 lakhs. So there is a high chance we will expect 35,000 possibly. So that there will be a big movement should be there on the upside. But normally we have seen that in the past experience also, like some odd strike price will come on the upside and capture the moment. So if you see maybe like last time also we'll see, okay, we saw maybe it will take time. So you can see the last videos also, like in the last moment on Thursday somebody or other will come on the top to capture the moment. As of now, 35,300 is the 35,200, 34,800. So now the support is there here formed at 34,800 now. So the expiry should happen between 34,800, 35,000 possibly. So coming to the I just go in and out between the charts and the Astro view everything, so that you don't get bored with the same methodology of going into the views. So today we have the view was for me was a negative actually. So negative actually, though we had a opening itself, it was negative only. They opened below the previous day close by 8 points, but Nifty opened by 20 points in the upside. From the top here, from today's high, almost 443 points we gained from the top actually to close. I'm not seeing the low actually. So top. So this is the candle also for today. What happened today, and for tomorrow. For tomorrow, what is the view? Maybe somebody can put in chat box also if they feel what is the view. But I will put in the poll also later. So tomorrow I'm expecting a positive day Astro view. Astro for tomorrow is positive. So maximum that we should not break 34,700. In case intraday basis, maybe there is a gap down also possible. In case there is a gap down, the market want to go up. That's what you can confirm tomorrow. The confirmation will be tomorrow a gap down of 50 60 points. A gap down can confirm that we are going to go up actually. So you have to look for opportunity to buy them call options or short some put options. That's the strategy should be actually. Now I'll come back to the presentation here. So for tomorrow, if you see, this is the position as of now for the Bank Nifty, and next week expiry also we'll have a look at it. Next week expiry also, if you see, it is 35,000 highest open interest, 3,80,000 is the open interest for call option, and put option 2.5 lakhs. And the next support is coming to 34,000 directly. 34,500, 34,000 is the support here. So as of now, 35,000 is the controlling strike price for the Bank Nifty, and for Nifty also 15,800. So no, though it looks like a bearish mood in the market, no doubt about that, but it's all is a expiry game, purely expiry game, and nothing more than that, because result season is there, and most probably that any correction, if at all, has to come, it has to come after the result season only. And as for the GAN view also, I told you that till 1st July, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, overall the whatever the high we made on 27, 28th, I believe, 28th high we should not be crossing, but till second means it is coming falling on a Friday actually. So that high we may not break actually. So that's what we'll go by week, then we can just capture the markets. Now if you see in the call option also for next week expiry, highest open interest build up is seen 35,500, 35,000, 36,000, all three others. So there is a pressure build up on 35,000 plus call options actually. And coming to the open interest change, if you see here the PCR is highly oversold. If 0.57, 0.56, very dangerous to short now actually. Any short covering can very seriously, we can see some reversal of the trend, and it just will be a short term actually. It's not that mark whatever the trend reversal, whatever is thing is a bigger view we'll see now. But however, as of now, it is short term because of the technical reason. Bounce can come, but doesn't mean that it's a trend reversal is there, or any long term short term moves are there. We don't bother. As a trader, we'll see all the data as a trader only, or not an investor. As a trader, if you see, it is just technical bounce we can see, and Nifty particularly has come to 0.61, which rarely happened actually in the recent past. So this is confirming Nifty also has become weak now. All these days Nifty has become very strong. Now Nifty also has become weak actually. So all the bounces will be sold into. Now even touching 15,900 becomes difficult now. In all these days we've been everybody analyzed and everybody is discussing about 16,000. Now touching one 16,000 or 15,900 becomes very difficult actually. So let us see the levels also. So in case tomorrow there is a gap down, then we will look for almost 34,800 call option. So 34,800 call option, if you see go long level is 48, the closer of 146. If we get it around 100 rupees level roughly, I am not expecting to go to 48 and all. 34,800 call, if we get around 100 rupees level, it will be very good buy, and I think one should get into that, and maybe that will be definitely going to 250 possibly. So the go short level is 243. So I'm expecting that if you get for 100 rupees at 24,800, 34,800 call, I think that should go to 240. This go short level 250 roughly, and that's my expectation, because if 35,000 expiry also is coming on the way for tomorrow, then there is a very high probability that we will reach these levels. So 34,800 call, I think we should target for tomorrow in case there is a gap down. If there is a gap up and the country start moving on the upside, the chance is very less actually. So in that case, if you see 35,000 put option, okay, let us see 30,000 put option also. What is opportunity is as a option writer. Option writer, if you see 30,000 put option, we close to 257. There is a high chance that we can reach maximum in case gap down. As a put option, if you want to know, 316 is the level where we can go maximum. So maybe 60-70 points upside can be seen on the gap down. If there is a gap down in case of 30,000 put option. So in case you want to write put option, a little brave hearts can target for 30,000 put option. As a hedge, you can buy some 34,500 call option, 34,500 put option possibly. That is one strategy we can deploy. And in case, okay, if you want to buy put option tomorrow, buying put option may not be a great strategy actually, because already everything is priced in the down moves and everybody has bought put options. Definitely tomorrow, either buying call option or selling put option should be the only strategy. That's what I expect, considering the Astro view also, considering technical view also, both. So let's go to the overall view, open interest. So total bank Nifty open interest has crossed 1 crore actually. Normally after reaching 1 crore, 1.2 crores is extreme level for bank Nifty overall expiry. So we reached this level point. I think this is the extreme level we have reached for bank Nifty, and most probably some reversal should be seen. Reversal can be on tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whatever be the case. But tomorrow, if the reversal comes on the upside, then this all call option traders can get a big blast on their face. So we get ready for that. In case if you are a put trader, you should be making some money tomorrow. And a call option trader, if you are there, I think you should book profits and don't wait for the last penny. If you have sold some call options, say 75 points, 80 points, you got 100 points of trail stop loss. And if you are in your in the option strategy also, today also, just I just want to show you the option strategy what I have deployed today, and mentioned Telegram channel. So in this strategy here, I what I done is I have closed a position here. If you see here, I closed a position at 30,000 call, because I thought expected that the market will go up, and actually I booked some profit here. 260 I booked some profit here. 342 I sold, and here at the 8,000 profit I booked, because if there is market momentum is going on the upside, then we should not take chance. And then 3500 call I sold, because after exiting the strategy, I'm not completely becoming bullish. Okay, I'm still holding. I sold now 198 rupees, 35,100 call, and that has come to 43 rupees. And but however, I exited with 100 points profit actually. So here 8,000 profit, 9,000 profit, and after that this 100 rupees is not going to take care of my short position or long position, whatever. Then I sold next week option, call option, which is trading at 400 rupees. At now it's trading at 314. This is around 8,500 profit is there. So if there is tomorrow the market is reversing, that is a put option will easily shoot up like 100 points easily on the downside, will come down and will make money here, but this will not lose anything much. So this as of now you can see 8,335 is a profit for this, including booked profit also. Even if you close now, it is still profit only. And tomorrow we may need to exit the hedge what you bought, and then buy some next week hedge actually. So we'll try to see whether I can continue this for this thing. Provided the number of views are increasing, I can make this a continuous strategy, and you can follow this also. And coming back to our positions here, and strike PCR support has come down here, but Nifty is very strongly holding 1570 levels, and Nifty definitely becoming weak slightly, no doubt about that. 15850 has come down to this 237, whatever straddle was taken, short straddle, now are sitting with 100 points profit actually. So definitely some bounce expected for tomorrow here. At this 50 points here means if we close here by around 15750, we'll make this will become 137 become 100. And here also if you see 34,900, there will be a very bright chance. 34,900, if there is expires at almost nearby that level, then entire 782 rupees who are pocketed this amount, short straddle, will make the full amount of profit, 782 points profit for just 1 week. And coming to Lakshman Rekha, no, Lakshman Rekha is indicating some bearish setup, but in the border case, but definitely we cannot take it lightly, so you have to be on the right side. And the weekly point in the bullish area only as of now. So 300 points plus as of now, but if you are having Lakshman Rekha as indication, we cannot hold this view. Lakshman Rekha always dominates the view. So Lakshman Rekha, if it is giving sell signal, definitely we should sell signal. If it cross 35,000 in the futures, then only we have to be on the long side. Otherwise, we have to be on the short side only. Maybe you can short one lot of put option, but you can short 2 to 3 lots of call options. That's a strategy you can try. That's a better thing. And coming to the open interest, if you see today is around 1.6 lakhs of open interest built up actually happened with 2 to 3 points down move actually. So short built up happened actually, and this also indicating that this under this Lakshman Rekha 3496 at this level, the shorts are getting added. So 35,000 in July series will be a very important level. If you break 35,000 levels on downside, then it's going to be a problem for Bank Nifty. and if you break again on the upside, 30,000 will be a sure shot for Bank Nifty. So very cautious. This is a very cross border line actually for Bank Nifty now. And open interest for Nifty, if you see Nifty also, what happened, 2.2 lakhs of open interest got added actually with a small change. So this price change cannot be considered as a big impact actually for the futures position. As of now, open interest is just 96 lakhs actually. And in case tomorrow we are just making positive move, and whether we are building up open interest, we have to see what's the status. Coming to the pivot point, coming to the pivot point, if you see the down hook has come, pivot point has moved down, so definitely it is not a good sign. And until we reverse above only, then we can take some bullish views. And Lakshman Rekha is showing bearish view. And Nifty also, if you see, this is a consolidation zone here actually. We have to either break 15,600 700 levels, because otherwise if you see, we are just in some 300 points zone only as of until now. So Nifty is not giving great momentum as of now. We have to just wait for the opportunity to give some momentum. And levels for tomorrow, if you see, long breakout for Bank 35,039, so 35,000 is what we're expecting. So short breakout is 34,506. Find the points of range actually between the long breakout, short breakout. So most probably we should be expiring between this level only mostly. And the worst case, the 35 to 34,500 can be worst case scenario, which is a not expected scenario actually. But we'll see, considering just giving some 50% weightage to at least Astro view. And also technically some bounce we should be expecting, because already oversold, we are entering the expiry day with a oversold scenario. So that way I'm expecting some bounce at least tomorrow. Nifty 15,783 long breakout, and short breakout 5650. We have just all 140 points only range between long breakout, short breakout. And let us see the cash market. Overall cash market is just range bound. We are not getting any clues from here. We're just, everybody is trying to get in, get out, get in, get out only here. We are not making any big moves here. Just the bulls and bears big fight is going on. That's what you can see from all 1,755 stocks here. So overall view is this one. And we'll see the monthly charts also here, because today we are closing the monthly. And we'll see what's the status also once I have a look at it. So Bank Nifty has given a sell signal here, and the health fisher also giving some reversal possibly. And here also you can see some 3 continuous red candles now. And here in case weekly, now we'll see the weekly chart, very important. So monthly chart we'll see. Monthly chart, if you see, we are not closed below the previous month low as of now, but this time this low, which is almost like a 33,925, let us say 34,000. So 34,000 if you break, then only there is a problem for the bulls in case of any down moves to come. So 34,000 level is what we have to watch for. If you break, then it's problem for the bulls. And in case of Nifty, now if you see spinning top is formed in case of Nifty. So the low formed for the month is now the lowest candle. You can see very lowest candle here, but still it's a green candle only. 15,452 is there. So roughly 15,452 means 15,400 something level. If it breaks, then only some problem for the Nifty. Otherwise still we can hold on. And the trend line is very fast actually. And let us maybe separate the weekend video, make one video on the angles and see what is the support we can expect actually. And coming to the positional Renko setup, today the Renko setup gave a sell signal actually around 20th June, whatever 20th June I told, the GAN date, that reversal, that high I told you, which is 35,400. So 35,400 should not be crossed till Friday. Whatever be the case, the bullish moves comes, whatever, tomorrow, a day of tomorrow, we should not cross 35,400 by this Friday. Till this Friday, whatever high comes, we can go to this level possibly. We can go here also, but 33 and 250 also possible, but we should not break high. That's what maximum we can expect for the coming days, in the 2 days on the Thursday and Friday. And now the reversal will be here. The candle formed is around 34,853. So in case tomorrow we close, we start sustaining about 34,850, then that's the place we have to look for covering your or booking profits in your short positions. You should not wait till the last moment. If the premium is very low, there is no point in holding your shorts in the last moment, because the reversal comes, then it becomes difficult to handle. Either you have to have stop loss or book the position. It's the only options available for you. So today in case of the bank nifty, what happened also we'll see. Almost we touched long breakout here today and we closed to short breakout. So long breakout to short breakout is what we have tested in entire day in case of bank nifty. Very interesting day also as usually. And around 1:30. Normally I used to observe that 12:30 is the time where the trend reverse used to happen. Now the time is shifted from 12:30 to 13:30, means 1:30. Now between 1 to 1:30 the trend reversal comes most of times. In yesterday also, if you see here, almost like 1:30, this is the time here, or 13:48, you can see 1:45, this is the time the down move came here. Here also today same time only we got the down move. So your other time should be around 1 o'clock to 1:30. That's the time you should be careful about your positions. And the charts we will see here. Okay, now let us see the F&O stocks also. Just have a look at it just in 1 minute. Other enterprises, short unwinding. 1600 is the call options are being sold. 1600, lot of call options are being sold. HDFC, short built up. Maruti, short unwinding. You can see a lot of there's big support in 7,000 actually. Though we sold at currently it's trading at 7,500 futures. So big support is there in 7,000, and 7,000 puts and 8,000 calls are being sold actually. Being the monthly expiry, we have a lot of time there. So 1,000 points range, the short strangle is being taken. Adani Ports, short built up. HDFC Bank, short unwinding actually. Nifty, short built up after a long time. Okay, 4-5 days now, short built up is seen. And Axis Bank, short unwinding. ICC Bank, short built up. Reliance, short unwinding. So long unwinding. Reliance, some support is happening here on 200 levels now. So if you don't break 200, then some bounce can come here. We're just getting some. If you see the last four days, bottom is happening. Bottoming out is happening in Reliance. Now Reliance will lift the Nifty now possibly. Others will take some rest. Reliance will do the moves. And Bajaj Finance, short built up is seen. IndusInd Bank, short unwinding, and the State Bank of India. Now we gone below the 5-day low also. And the bank nifty, short built up. Now some bounce, get bounce expected, so stay cautious with the short positions. Infosys, range bound actually. And Tata Steel is just a short unwinding. Fin Nifty, short built up. Kotak Bank, so big move actually happened today. The range is very huge, and short built up happened. Every high is used for shorting only. And the TCS, a long built up. So this is what happened in the market today, and I hope you're observing the long go short levels, and it's helping you a lot. So in case you help you a lot, then give me some comments and your feedback, and I hope you are making some money with me. What are the views given in Telegram channel also. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like channel.